Hey Leo, how's it going? Happy Good Friday. Hope everybody had a decent week. Just want to go over a couple things. Hello, the Freak 1972. Now, today we're going to do, again, Montasy at home. We're going to do some breaks for Chase the Cardboard. Hey, Daniel. And then, and the ones that we're going to open are a box of Tribute, any one of these from Fresh Case, 2 boxes of Leaf Metal Football, the hobby version, and one of the last 2 we have right now for buyback hockey. We're hoping to get more buybacks as well as more Leaf Metal by next week. So that should be coming in. Hey, Spalding's Finest. How's it going? And then after that's done, we're going to be breaking a couple of boxes of CZX superheroes and villains. Figure we'll break that for fun and then see what we could get out of them. Now, just a couple of announcements before we start. Again, thank you for many of you who's been picking up stuff from our website, pre-orders as well as orders and all that and so forth. Slowly but surely, we're getting started on that. And then for the Magic players, we do have tonight we're testing out a virtual Friday Night Magic. It's gonna be through Magic Arena, and then we will also have we also plan to do it as part of Discord. So you could join us there. We could try to match people up on tables, and then folks could have fun. Okay? Now, let us start. I figure since we have 2 boxes of Leaf Metal Draft we're going to go through, and then a box of Buyback and Tribute, I figure we will start with a box of Leaf Metal Draft. We have first, now we have 3 of them up here. If anybody have any choice that they are looking for, certainly you could tell me a number, 1, 2, 3. If not, I'll just choose one. Now, to answer your question, Daniel, there is an alternative so far. This is for the arena we're doing that as part of what Wizard's doing. Okay? All right. So, hello. So for Leaf Metal Draft, we have, since it's Friday, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's start with the middle one first. There we go. Hello, Sterling. Let's try with box number 1. Again, you get 5 autographs per box. I'm going to move these up here, and I'm going to move these a little bit out of the way so that we could have a little more space. Let's see what we're going to get this time. Let's take a look. On top of the box, it says 5 autographs per box. There we go. And I'm going to try to slide the card over so we could at least... There we go. Card number 1. It's a nice blue. Looks like a nice blue refractor. Kendrick Rogers. Blue is usually a very low number. I'm excited about that. We'll flip that up right afterwards. Let's see who is it followed by. Looks like Harrison Bryant. Blue is number 33 out of 35. Harrison Bryant, followed by a nice green Spectral Fractor. Reggie Corbin. Let's see. Harrison Bryant is 12 out of 20. Reggie Corbin. I think that's a running back, right? Let's see. Followed by Armed and Dangerous, a nice quarterback, Steven Montez. Whoa, Reggie Corbin is 2 out of 3. Then the last card is another Armed and Dangerous. All right, let's see who we could get out of this. Joe Burrow. Now, even I know Joe Burrow. Congrats. Steve Montez is number out of 20 out of 40. And let's take a look. I think Joe Burrow is considered the top pick. Now, Daniel, to answer your question, I would go to the Facebook or join our Discord to find out more about F&M, okay? That is nice. Now, let's take a look at the number. It's blue. I'm hoping it's like 2 out of 3 or something like that. That would be awesome. All right. Watch. 13 out of 15. This is awesome. So, just a quick recap. For the first box of Leaf Metal Draft, we ended with Joe Burrows, probably going to be the first pick. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We try. JB1, 13 out of 15, followed by another Armed and Dangerous, Steven Montez, 20 out of 40. Reggie Corbin, I remember this because it's 2 out of 3. And that happens to look like the same as the jersey number here now. So that's a jersey number 1, which is awesome. And then we have Harrison Bryant, 12 out of 20. And then we started off with Kendrick Rogers, 33 out of 35. Now that's box 1 of Leaf Metal. I figure we'll go to buyback, hockey, followed by another Leaf Metal, and ending it with Topps Tribute. All right, let's see. Buyback hockey. 1 or 2. That's eeny, miny, mo. But earlier we started with counting the numbers. So I'll go Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. There we go. Friday, we're going to try this one. Are we going to get Connor McDavid? Young Guns? Hey, Aaron. Let's see. A lot of the Young Guns are quite popular. In fact, that's what most people look for in here. All right, the first card is... A lot of people actually even collect the base card that comes with it because they're pretty cool looking and they're sequentially numbered. Let's try the first card. Steve Stamkos. Pretty cool player. Now let's go to the back. This is one of those die-cut contour cards. It's not a Young Gun, but we could look for. But at least it's a nice contour rookies. Contour game use. Dylan Larkin. I recognize Dylan Larkin as well. Not a bad rookie. 128 out of 199. So that's the buyback. Very nice looking card. So for buyback, you have Steve Stamkos and Dylan Larkin. This is like a jumbo patch. Now, we're going to go to Leaf Metal Draft. Again, last time buyback we went with the left. This time we go with the right. We had Joe Burrows last time. Let's see if we could get him again. Hey everybody, thanks for joining. We're gonna end with Topps Tribute. Alrighty. There we go. Make sure there's nothing left. All right. Another blue. Armin Dangerous again? Well, we could start it with another Joe Burrows, but doesn't look like it though. Let's see. From Michigan, Shea Patterson. Find out what that number is. Another blue. J.J. Taylor. This one is number 29 out of 35. J.J. Taylor is followed by Justin Jefferson. J.J. Taylor is 6 out of 20. And that's Justin Jefferson. Oh, that's a nice looking pink. Albert Aquaguana. Well, my pronunciation of this name, I literally butchered it. Let's take a look at the numbering. For Justin Jefferson is 53 out of 60. Oh, another printing plate. Now, I think that's a 1 of 1. JM. Okay, I'll figure out who that is afterwards. Let's take a look at Albert. It is 10 out of 10. Not bad. This is a yellow plate Armin Dangerous of Jordan Love. I've heard of Jordan Love also. Isn't it great? So, I think Jordan Love was considered one of the, going to be in the top groups of quarterback too. So this box of Leaf, we have Jordan Love. It looks like JM, but oh no, it's J with a heart. Ah, I just got that. That's a nice looking 1 of 1. That's a cool way of signing his signature. I was like, who is JM? But it's actually J with a heart. Okay. Followed by Albert Aquaguana. Sorry, Albert. Yes, somebody's laughing at me, but trying to butcher this pronunciation. Justin Jefferson. That one is easier to pronounce. J.J. Taylor. That's also great. And then Shea Patterson. These 2 boxes of Leaf Metal Draft are pretty good, I must say. Now, we're looking at Topps Tribute. This is from a fresh case, 6 boxes. So, eeny, meeny, never mind. It is the 10th. You know what? I feel the middle one Let's give that a try. We did that for the first box when we're going for the middle draft. So let's now try with Tribute. Alrighty. Now I have garbage all over the floor. I keep on forgetting to bring a garbage can over. There we go. I guess Tribute, you get 6 packs in a box, 6 boxes in a case. And actually, let me double check. What do we get out of this? Look for all new franchise autos, 3 on-card autographs, and game use memorabilia. Okay, it's an and, it's not an or. So that's a good start. Pack number 1. Okay. We're going to do it this way then. Let's see, who is that? Pack number 1. Joey Gallo. That looks like a redemption already. No, it's it's just a piece of paper. So it's Gallo, followed by, that looks like a pinstripe. We'll find out if it is. Yep, it is. It is New York Yankees outfielder. Now, let's hope it's an autograph. Outfielder Aaron Judge. Oh, good. With good starts. Aaron Judge. Now, all we need is an autograph. Nice. That is an awesome start. It's Aaron Judge, 28 out of 39, autographed.
Woohoo.
Look at that. The audience goes, ooh-hoo. All right, and then the last one is Vladimir Guerrero Jr. Yes, that Aaron Judge looks phenomenal. On-card auto. Let me get a sleeve to make sure that we keep this nicely protected. There we go. Beautiful card. Excellent start. Pack number 2. It's the Good Friday. There we go. Pittsburgh Pirates. I don't recognize him. I probably have him at one point in my fantasy league. Josh Bell, the second. There we go. This is either an auto or memorabilia. Let's take a look. Dodge, San Diego. All right. If it's last year's rookie, that wouldn't be bad either. Yep, Fernando Tatis Jr. San Diego, that's one guy that we'll be looking for. He had a phenomenal year, or actually a pretty good rookie season. Too bad he was injured, but this is one rookie that a lot of people have been collecting. Fernando Tatis Jr. This is very good. 6 out of 25. I'm going to sleeve this real quickly. This box, so far so good. 2 amazing autos. Last card is Chicago Cubs, Javier Baez. Now that is, yeah, it's definitely one of those boxes that Now, this is the first time I'm opening Tribute. Well, first time I've opened Tribute, actually, or any lot of boxes. The first time I've seen where it's two incredible autographs. Now, this is the third pack. It feels a little thick. Just want to let you know. I'm not saying that it's anything. But let's see what we could get. Ah, it looks like a patch. All right. Oakland A's? Huh. Who we want from Oakland A's that's still playing? I'm trying to figure that out. That looks like Ricky Henderson. It is. Ricky Henderson. Decent player. He was great for the Yankees. Unfortunately, at that time, Yankees didn't really win. All right, let's see. M.A. I like to think it's Manny Machado, but it's, oh, Masahiro Tanaka? It would be great if this is an auto patch. Oh, it is a stamp of approval autograph. Still very nice. 10 out of 50. It's from a game. This is really nice looking card. Vladimir Guerrero Sr. Okay, that's pretty cool. Previous pack was Vladimir Guerrero Jr. ended with, and this pack ends with Vladimir Guerrero Jr. Sr. Pack number 4. Another thick pack. I want to be very gentle with the packs. There we go. Who do we have here? DeJean, Paul DeJean. The card's actually really nice. A lot of people that I speak to generally when they're looking at Tribute, they love the way the card looks. Ooh, almost. There are a lot of people will collect the base set. Now, this is probably the jersey and it's green. I wonder who it is. Let's go down a little bit more. Hyun Jun Ryu. I hope I pronounced that one correctly. LA Dodgers. Oh, and Clayton Kershaw. Dual jersey piece. Number 93 out of 99. Ends with Tony Gwynn out of 50. Oh, there's one more. No wonder it's a little thick. Let's see. Jesus Luzardo, rookie. All right. There was a slight poor connection earlier, but now we're back. Pack number 4. There we go. Card number 1 is a pitcher, Boston Red Sox. I was about to say, Roger Clemens is definitely it. All right. I think, let's see, who is this going to be? This looks like an autograph. Oakland A's. Seth Brown, 4 out of 10. I'm assuming it's a rookie. Yep. A rookie auto of Seth Brown. Number 4 out of 10. Very nice looking cards. The autographs have all been pretty good. Let me sleeve that. Nice card. And the final card out of this pack is Boston Red Sox. Mookie Betts. He was traded, right? Unless I got to confuse somebody else. Now, the last pack. Let's hope for a nice jersey. Alrighty. Start with outfielder. The color seems to be Oakland A's again. Well, Seattle Mariners. Ken Griffey Jr. is nice. Followed by number 73 out of 150. Game worn. Jose Ramirez. Triple jersey. And then Ty Cobbs. Tribute is definitely a great looking card. So in this box, what we have is the autos. Seth Brown, Jose Ramirez. Clayton Kershaw. Dual auto with Hyun-Jin Ryu. We have a rookie. Tony Gwynn, number out of 50. Vladimir Guerrero Jr., Sr. Masahiro Tanaka, 10 out of 50. Ken Griffey Jr. Base card along with Javier Baez, but we have a nice auto also of Fernando Tatis Jr. And we started off with the bang. Aaron Judge, 28 out of 35 on-card auto. This is a very nice box of tribute. So that is it. The break that we have done for Chase the Cardboard. Been pretty good in terms of what we got from tribute. From buyback, we had a Dylan Larkin auto jersey, along with Steven Stamkos. And then for Leaf Metal, pretty good. The second box, you have a nice printing plate of Jordan Love. That's it. I was about to say Julius Love. But the box number one, again, is a phenomenal start. We have Joe Burrows. Whoops. Excellent looking cards. That's it for the break. Again, thanks, Chase the Cardboard, for your support. It is great. Now, we're going to do a CZX break for a little bit of fun. Now, CZX Cryptozoic pretty much had all the movies. And you're looking at Justice League, Aquaman, Superman, Wonder Woman, Batman, etc., etc. Anything big from which one? CZX or the previous break? The previous break we did for Chase the Cardboard, we had some very nice breaks. We'll take a picture of it and put it out on Instagram. But CZX, there is Ben Affleck auto. There is, I could only go by the characters, Superman auto, Wonder Woman auto, Aquaman auto. Flash auto is in there too, amongst others. So we start with pack number one for CZX. Alrighty, let's see. Card number one is, tribute. Yeah, there was, for tribute, there was a autograph Judge out of 25, I think, and a Fernando Tatis Jr. autograph. Actually, correct that. Judge is out of 35, and Fernando Tatis is out of 25. Now, here, this is from Batman. Oh, well, it's one autograph a box, so we already got the autograph. Let's see who's the auto. It's TA. I don't think any of the major characters are in there. Tao Okamoto. Let's see what she plays. She was in Batman vs. Superman, Dawn of Justice. I will go watch that movie one more time. Cool looking card. Nice signature. Pack number 2. Hey, Super Joe. Aquaman. Oh, this is a nice looking sketch. Now, if I recall correctly, this should be Catwoman's sketch. Very nice sketch. A lot of times the sketches are incredibly valuable. Hello. I don't know who the artist is, but this is an awesome looking sketch card. Definitely need to sleeve that. Yep. There you go. Pack number 3. Whoops. I'm doing a great job opening this pack. It's okay. I guess the insert is right in the middle. Alrighty. Oh, this is Star X Parallel card of Russell Crowe, Demi Goddess, and Wrath of the Seven Seas. I guess this is Batman, Superman, Wonder Woman, and Aquaman. Pack number, I forget which. 4, I think. Oh, this is the film strip. Excellent looking one. Joker and Zod's Sentence. And the last pack is okay, this is probably a parallel card. What's Secretary number out of 30 from Wonder Woman. That's a good film. Well, they did push Wonder Woman back, so this is going to be, hopefully we'll be able to enjoy in the theater soon. And that's it. That's it for today's Montasy at Home. We've broken a few boxes, and it looks like pretty much every box is pretty good. I'm quite happy that we're able to get some decent stuff there. All right, everyone, have a nice weekend. Thank you.